IMALENT MS18 Brightest Flashlight 100,000 lumens, the brightest powerful flashlight in the market. The MS18 rechargeable flashlight comes with 18 pieces Cree XHP70 second high lumens LEDs with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. The max output is up to 100,000 lumens and 9 mode settings replace the need for multiple flashlights. You can experience the max beam distance is up to 1350 meters. Super bright ultra-wide beam effortlessly illuminates at once a huge land, or an entire your property, or a huge site section, or what will you want. It is 50 times brighter than car lights. The MS18 liters ED flashlight is powered by a rechargeable 8 lithium-ion battery pack. And it is included, which helps save the battery cost and is very environmentally friendly. The first flashlight with a heat pipe cooling system ensure high performance and longer runtime on high output. It is equipped with an inlet and outlet fan, and there is a built-in heat pipe radiator inside with excellent heat dissipation. This MS18 powerful flashlight is made of high-performance aluminum alloy and just 7.7 pounds. Sturdy and durable, designed to be virtually indestructible. And at IP56 waterproof and dustproof, which makes the flashlight more durable and tough. The OLED digital screen of MS18 flashlight will display its electricity level, then you can get an idea clearly how much power of the battery is still there. So, get experience now. See you soon.